day even more.
Gratitude on behalf of the graduate. Let us hear from Christian G. Requito, one of our completers with high honors.
Honored guests, esteemed school administration led by our principal, Ma'am Daisy Furong, teachers, parents, and my fellow completers, good morning. First of all, I would like to thank our dear Lord for this wonderful day and for all the blessings that we have received. Today, we gather to celebrate a significant milestone in our lives, completing junior high school. We began this journey in a difficult time amid a global pandemic. We faced many challenges that tested our strength and resilience. Our experience has been like a roller coaster ride, filled with so many ups and downs. Winston Churchill once said, "Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts." This quote truly captures the spirit of our batch, because despite the many obstacles, we kept going. And today, we are here to reap the rewards of our hard work. But more than certificates and medals, the greatest reward for me has been personal growth. Looking back on my first day in Seasonside, I remember facing the camera and seeing so many unfamiliar faces. I felt extremely nervous. As someone who graduated elementary with only 2 classmates, I wasn't used to being around with so many people. And I honestly thought I would never overcome the feelings of doubt and discomfort I felt in those early days. But over the years, with the help of many approachable and friendly classmates, I was able to step out of my comfort zone. Thank you to all of you. I will forever cherish the friendships I made here, as they have been a significant part of my growth. Reflecting on who I was when I started high school and who I am now, I see a huge transformation. I've become more confident, open-minded, and determined. I discovered passions and interests I now want to explore further. And I know that each and every one of us has had our own experiences to reflect on. Those experiences that shaped us into who we are now. None of it would have been possible without the people who supported us along the way. To our beloved teachers, thank you for all the knowledge that you've shared with us and for your unwavering dedication to teaching us even in the hardest times during the pandemic. Your guidance and patience are what brought us here. To the school administration, thank you for providing us a safe and comfortable learning environment. To our dear parents, thank you for always being there to support us and for your unconditional love and sacrifices that paved the way toward our success. We are truly blessed to have parents like you. And to my fellow completers, as we embark on our senior high school journey, let us not forget the memories of our perseverance. Let us value the lessons that we've learned, continue to strive for excellence, and use the knowledge that we've gained here to achieve our goals. Congratulations to all of us, and I wish you all the best in your future endeavors. Once again, thank you very much and have a blessed day.